very true. As we all know that yesterday the internet ban was lifted. I think everyone understood the importance of the internet ban, because this fake news is something which unnecessarily creates a lot of tension. So monitoring is being done from our side, but no monitoring is good enough as monitoring from the community itself. So what I would like to request the entire community is that after a long time that internet ban has been restored, please let us try to maintain true news is only. Please refer only to the trusted news networks. Please refer to only the official pages of administration and police for any clarification. Already numbers have been shared for all the thanas, and as well as a control room number has also been shared. If any issues anyone has, if any concerns anyone has, they can also be clarified. They can always be clarified officially with the local administration, with the district administration, or with the police. Let us not give rise to fake news, because ultimately fake news is a big factor, which leads to a lot of confusion and commotion in the society. Now we are still looking at night curfew, because we are still very closely monitoring the situation and making sure that no untoward incident happens. So the security deployment is also still there to prevent any miscreants from taking advantage of the situation. So to make sure that there is safety and security of everyone in the society, we are still keeping the night curfew.